showing the big picture here, which is this is a channel structure. It's a weekly chart. This goes back to the October 23 low. So it's about a solid year and a half in the making. And really, the bottom line here is if the market presents an opportunity to buy 576.33, which is climbing weekly as we move into March, that is a solid opportunity to get long, stay long, and hold into the 640s and climbing, which is channel resistance. We could trade inside of this channel through the second quarter. My upside indication for 640.32, which I expect eventually anyway, but I do think within a month or two of closing above 607.97, which is the high settlement price since the December high, when you've got two settlement prices that are very similar. So 607.97 is the pivot. If we close Friday above 607.97 in the SPY, that is your next signal on strength to go long into the 640s. This could be a 3 to 5 week pop to the upside. But until then, we're just sort of topping out in this high area, and there is a susceptibility to falling back to 576.33. This is kind of the big picture. This 640.32 channel top converges right now with a much more significant 5-year channel structure that could actually contain annual highs. So 638.14 is a big test for the SPY. It'll have the similar number. It is a level we got to get up and over to maintain a long-term bull market. Otherwise, 638.14 could be an area we top out at for the year. I think the trading community, especially the long-term fund managers, portfolio managers, they're certainly on eggshells right now. They're certainly biting their fingernails, so to speak, with all the tariffs situation that's playing out. There's an inconsistency to it and a randomness to it, apparently, although who knows how random it actually is. So I think the fear is to the downside right now. And I think as long as we're below 607.97, I think you can actually be short the S&P 500, be short the SPY, back into the 570s, 576.33, where I think you can cover that short position, reverse and go long. Certainly would be a big sell signal if we close below 576.33. There are other things going on here. I can just show a simple horizontal channel bottom as well. This combined would be a significant sell signal into the second and third quarter of this year if we violate it. But until then, this longer term bullish momentum remains intact.
Watch the full episode by clicking on the link below.